Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s. First of all, open your Play Store and find X Icon Changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. Now click cancel, yes, and click open. Now need close ads, and now need choose from list of application your application want to change. Maybe Brawl Stars will be nice. So, and now from the library of your icons, choose your new icons. Maybe this like I. Okay, and now in the top right corner we got OK button. Tap it. And how you can see, we got a message. Please go to system settings to open shortcut. Click OK. Now tap other permission, and here we got home screen shortcuts. Tap and change to always allow. Click back one more time, and now click OK button one more time. Wait a second for generating of new icon. And how you can see, we got success message, and let's find our new icon, this one. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.